Hi, it's Anne here, and today's video is my second update for my lip project pan for 2023. Yes, I am doing a lip project pan project for this year. It's been a very casual kind of project. I introduced it in February. I did one update, I think it was May, so this is the second update. I will do a finale, so there'll be one more video in this series. I'm going to say this right now, I don't see myself doing this project next year. I talked about that I wanted to do this a little bit more casually because I still wanted to use other stuff in my collection. So I didn't want to just like feel tied to these items. So some of these items have awesome progress. I think especially having a big window between updates is helpful in terms of seeing progress. And then other products, there's like no difference at all. So how I did this project was just sort of random. I picked 10 items, a couple in like each category, or like one in one category and a couple in another category. Not really any rhyme or reason for any of this. So let's get started. So the first item is my lip oil. This is the NYX This Is Everything Lip Oil in Sheer Berry. I'm not sure how well you'll be able to see the lines on the side. I tried to draw some lines on the side, but it's dark packaging. I think that's where it is. It was kind of laying down. I let it sit up for just a little while. I didn't like rush it, but I did shine a light through it, and that's where I can kind of see that I've moved a little bit on this. I kind of forgot about this product. I lost it. This is one of those things that I lose every once in a while. I lost it. I don't know where it was. I think it was in the bottom of my purse. Found it again, so I've been kind of getting back around to using this again. When I last updated this, it was 14.18 grams. It's now 13.5 grams. That's a difference of 0.68 grams. The next item is this lip gloss. This is the Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream in, what is it, Barely Blush, 525 Barely Blush. Can't see through this product. I tried shining a light through it, cannot see it, but I've had really, really good progress with this. So what I do with this product is I keep it in my bathroom. So when I brush my teeth in the morning before I take my dog out, I throw a little bit of this on. It's got a cooling effect, so it's kind of nice to put on in the morning. And yeah, I've had really good progress. So last update, this was 8.77. It's now 7.54 grams. No, sorry, that's reverse. 7.45 grams. So that's a difference of 1.32 grams. So I'm really, really happy about that. This is a product that I thought maybe by this update it would be done. I still think there's product in there. I'm going to keep working on this through until I do the finale. And at the finale, I will call it done because I know there's not a whole lot in this. And I don't plan on cutting it open. It's a little too light. I don't really love it on me. It's very, very light, but doable. Like I still can wear it, but I feel like it's pretty light. The next product, again, best update I think on this one. This is the Tower 28 JuiceBalm Tinted Lip Balm in the shade Mix. I love this product. I love the shade on this, and it's done. I can't believe it's done. I will be putting up progress photos so you can see the progress of each of the products if I have photos. But yeah, this one, I'm calling it done. However, I do want to kind of dig into it and see how much I can get out of it because I really, really like this product. But again, similar to the last one, at the end of the year, I am going to say goodbye to it. But yeah, I'm still going to work on it. So, I mean, I did hit my goal. It's technically finished, but we're not going to say goodbye to it just yet. I also have some photos from like my book. So this is my book. So I'll put the photos of like the little measures because some of those are a little easier to see the progress, especially when there's very little progress. But that one's an obvious one. Anybody can see the progress on that one. For the Tower 28 lip balm, last update it was 14.6 grams. It's now 13.71 grams. That's a difference of 0.89 grams, and in total I used 1.5 grams, so really happy about that. The next one is called the Tarte LipSurgence Lip Cream in Nurturing. This guy I used quite a bit in the spring, a little bit in the summer. It's going to taper off. I don't see myself using it a whole lot at the end of the year. It's very much like a peachy pink shade. It's coming across a little bit brighter on the camera, but yeah, it's pretty bright in person. I think this is expired probably. So we're gonna say goodbye to it at the end of the project. I was trying to get it. I still kind of want to try and get it so that tip is off. Like this is it twisted all the way down, and you can see there's still a little bit of a tip on there. I'd like to try and get that rounded right off. That would be a nice goal. But if I don't, I'm not going to stress about it. I will be saying goodbye to this product at the end of this year. I'm going to declutter it because I think she's done, and I don't love the color on me. There were some days where it worked really well with the makeup look that I was doing, but it had to be a very specific makeup look that this kind of cohesively joined it together. For the Tarte LipSurgence, last month this was 16.25 grams. It's now 16.2 grams, so that's a difference of 0.05 grams. You can see my little Foster right there. It's starting to turn into a really fluffy little marshmallow now. I'll post a couple of pictures of him because he's looking real cute now. And I do post stuff on him on Harley's Instagram, which is now just going to kind of roll over to a foster dog Instagram. Although I still, every once in a while, post something about Harley. Not very often. Anyway, next up is a product that I'm currently working on and currently kind of focusing on. So there's not a huge amount of update. There's a little bit of change, but not a huge amount of change from last update. But I forecast that this will have the most change by next update. This is the Hourglass Lip Stylo in Futurist. And again, there's not a whole lot of product in this. This is a mini. I don't think I can finish this by the end of the year. I'd be surprised if I finished this, but I feel like I can make a good dent. Again, similar to the Tarte LipSurgence, I do want to kind of like wear that down a bit. I don't know if I can, I kind of like to keep the point a little bit, so it might not wear down evenly. But I like this color. I'm liking it more. I'm getting more used to wearing it. It is a very pale color on me, but I am getting more used to it, if that makes sense, and enjoying it more. So I can see myself, again, making a pretty good dent on this guy. Last update, this was 10.47 grams. It's now 10.38 grams. That's a difference of 0.09 grams. This is a product that has not had a whole lot of change since last update. There's been a little bit, but I haven't really focused on this. I feel like I used this early, like in May and June, and then I really haven't, I've kind of left it. I haven't used it, I don't think, like at all in August or September. It is the L'Oreal Infallible paints in, what is it, 312 Nude Star. It's what I have on my lips today. It is a really easy color to put on, easy color to wear. Just kind of forgot about it. It was there. It was there. It just kind of like got buried in my, like, I have bought a lot of new lip products over the past couple months, and yeah, this was something that wasn't fun and exciting anymore, so I forgot about it, but it's a beautiful color, beautiful product. I think they still sell these. So last update, this was 16.85 grams. It's now 16.69 grams. That's a difference of 0.16 grams. This is the product that's had like nothing happened, although I feel like this is going to be a really nice fall color, so I definitely see this picking up a little bit of speed, but it's a lipstick, so it's going to take a while. This is the Bite lipstick, the Amouse Bouche lipstick in Rhubarb, just a mini, but yeah, the photos will show that there is like no difference in this, at least from a top down. Like the angle might be getting a little bit, like it's really angled. Angle might be getting a bit more angled, but not a whole lot of difference. And the weight did not change. Last update, it was 7.83 grams. It's still 7.83 grams. So again, no change. This one, again, I was using it earlier in the year, and then I kind of like have traded off because it's very, very similar. I talked about this last update that putting these two in was maybe a bad idea because they're very similar in shade, just a different finish. This is the MAC lipstick in Boca. I think it's a special edition shade. It was from a holiday kit, and I want to say 2019. It's a really pretty shade. I do like the way this looks on me. It's a little bit deeper than the Hourglass, and I don't know if that's just because it's a matte lipstick. But again, I don't know if I'll have a whole lot of progress on this guy just because I'm going to focus on the Hourglass one. I think there'll still be a little bit of progress by the finale, but it's been pretty slow. It really has slowed off. So last update, this was 9.35 grams. It's now 9.32 grams. That's a difference of 0.03 grams. The next one, also really good progress. I think the photo will show it. The little like paper measurement will show it, and visually you will see this is the Color Workshop lipstick in what I call shade pink because there is no shade name. There is still some there. I think you can kind of see it's not even across the top, so you can see there's still a little bit left, So we're gonna work that down and finish it up by the end of the year. Unlike the Tower 28, I don't want to dig down into this guy, at least for like, maybe for if I do a makeup mashup, but not for like a purpose of like using it. I'm really proud of myself on finishing this. Technically it's a full-size lipstick, but it really was a short bullet, so like it's not nearly as long as the bullet in one of these. But I'm still happy have actually finished this, because this has been in a project for a really long time. Like I've marks on it and everything, so it's nice to really have finished. Like I feel like I put the work in on this guy. So last update, this was 11.89 grams. It's now 11.45 grams. That's a difference of 0.44 grams. It's a very sheer pink. I can put it on just like a lip balm, although it can get very Barbie pink, which kind of worked out this year because that's clearly a hot topic. But it's, I don't know. I don't really love the pink on me. Like it's a little too bubblegummy pink, but at home I'll just put it by my laptop while I'm working, and I can just put it on like a lip balm. So that's how I've been using that guy, and that's how I've been sort of finishing it up. And I got another product similar to the lip paint. This guy is sort of tapered off, and I think again they're kind of in a similar family. They're like a brighter pink, not even a brighter pink, but they're just a pink. And now that we're kind of getting into fall, it's less of a color or a shade that I want to wear. This is the Rimmel, the only one in It's a Keeper. I love this lipstick formula. I wish it was more of like a tapered, like proper like lipstick bullet. I don't like the round. I have small lips, so I don't really love the round. But I love this formula. I don't have any other lipsticks in this formula, but I really do quite like this formula. It's nice. It's smooth. It's got pigment, but it's not overwhelming. I don't know. It's just a really, really nice product, and it's drugstore, and it's affordable. And I'm pretty sure this line still exists with Rimmel. Again, though, I don't foresee a huge change in this one. I was trying to get this one like halfway done. Yeah, that's not going to happen. We're going to get maybe a quarter. I can see myself getting this a quarter from where it started. We'll finish off 25%. And that will be that. I would say we're like at a fifth right now, so we're not too bad. We're close to a quarter, so I think I can do that. So last update, this was 18.65 grams. It's now 18.59 grams. That's a difference of 0.06 grams. And that's all my products. So yeah, like the progress has been really good on a couple items, not much on everything else. It's really hard. Like I said, I don't see myself doing this project next year. I've learned that it's really hard for me to pan a lipstick. I can pan a lip product like this. I did finish off a mini lip sleeping mask already this year, but I do find it hard to finish a lip product, and I don't want to. I just like to play with lip products. So what I think I will do next year, and again, I still have the finale, so I'll probably talk about this then. I will probably do 1 or 2 lip products in my full year project pan. I do apologize if the lighting is going in and out and it's kind of going warm and cool. It's a partly cloudy day, so when it's like that, it's like it's really sunny, now it's dark, now it's really sunny, now it's dark. So it just really messes up filming in natural lighting, but I hope it's not too much of a distraction. And yeah, I hope you like this project. I mean, I like all these products. I'm glad I picked products. Like none of these are really hate pans in a sense. I would say the most difficult to use was probably this one, just because the color, but they're all products that were like good to use. Anyway, if you like this video, feel free to give a little thumbs up down below, and if you haven't already, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel here in Toronto, Canada. I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye.